Come check out this incredible backyard oasis. First thing you see when you come in, full-size swimming pool, gorgeous view. The raised hot tub with the spillover into the pool, and this uniquely shaped deck, all covered by the louvered roof. To make best use of the limited space on this side of the deck, we added the built-in rail top seating, just steps away from the pool. Over here, we were able to open up the deck much more. We did the fireside dining, as well as the built-in kitchen, half-height fireplace so they're not blocking the view to the pool, and gorgeous natural stone. Same stone to match on the kitchen. We have the garbage, full-size grill here, storage drawers, as well as access, glass front refrigerator, and sink setup right over here. We did the custom welded, powder coated aluminum railings, all stainless steel cables, so we're not blocking the view out to the pool. And how could you forget about the see-through fireplace? If you guys enjoyed this space, give us a call for your backyard next.